Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and crazy volume out of nowhere, unfortunately. And I'm not saying this towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. Now, of course, they've been in the headlines and all of that. But I'm not saying that this company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. But from strictly how the price acted, so from a price action point of view, I mean, this was a big old pump and dump today. I mean, let's actually think about real quick what played out. Started off going down, then all of a sudden the price came roaring to life. I mean, quite literally, from basically we'll call it $7 up to essentially the $14 mark. And then after getting up there, what happened? Well, the price just completely dumped almost back to where it started. Now, technically speaking, it didn't go back to where it started, but that is why this level here is a very, very important level of support right here at $7, and we'll call it 65 cents. Why is that level so important? Well, if the price were to come down to that level and then break down through it, well, at that point in time, it would officially be putting the price right back to where it was before the big move started. So in other words, that would imply that the price exploded upwards and then went right back to where it was, which would officially be a pump and dump from a price action point of view. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but there's no doubt about it, a whole lot of downwards pressure. But what is interesting about this chart is it's showing that it can still get very, very jumpy, and you got to give credit where credit's due. Even after this big old, downwards pressure movement, now all of a sudden the price just started to go sideways, volumes dropped off. So is this a guarantee of anything? Absolutely not. Is it at least a rational? Is it at least a logical thought to be having? Absolutely. And that thought being, maybe this is some sort of little miniature bottom forming before some sort of, knee-jerk reaction back to the upside. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that behave like this. And then all of a sudden they start to imply, get a little bit of sideways action, and then the price can snap back upwards. Now, when I say back upwards, I don't mean go back up to 14. But I mean, even if it goes up to 10 or 12, that's still a respectable bounce. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely a very dramatic day today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.